Today I have got something really cute and interesting for you. It's the touch silicone panda light that I ordered from Amazon. It's a budget friendly night light that looks super adorable and I can't wait to show you how it works. So let's get started with the unboxing. Alright, there is a Amazon packaging and inside we have the product's brand box. Right here it says Panda Silicone Night Light and there is a cute picture of panda printed on the front. On the side of the box we have got some key features listed. It says ambient light, colorful light and tap control. Now interestingly, the MRP printed is 1999 but I grabbed this on Amazon for just 350. That's a huge price drop. On the other side of the box, you will find some basic product information including size, power details and the country of the origin, which is China. Let's open this up and see what we get inside. First we have this cute woolen scarf with two little balls at the end. This goes around a panda's neck. Next we have the USB cable. It's type A to type C used to charge the panda light. And here comes the star of the show, the panda light itself, wrapped in a plastic cover. Let me just take this out. Look at this. Panda is pure white with highlighted black parts. The eyes, ears, nose, hands, feet and tail all in black. It looks super cute and premium, and when you hold it, it feels really soft and squishy since it is made of silicone material. At the bottom there is a switch with 3 modes: off, on and 30. Right below that is the type C charging port. So let's switch it on and see what happens. Nice, the panda lights up and here is the cool part. You can tap anywhere on the panda and it changes the color. There is even a mode where the color keeps changing automatically and you can activate that with a tap too. Let me put the scarf on the panda really quick. There we go. Doesn't that look even better? Now if you move the switch to 30, it means the light will stay on for 30 minutes and then automatically turn off, perfect as a night lamp before sleeping. In the on position, the light stays on continuously until the battery runs out or as long as it's plugged in. Once fully charged, the battery gives you around 30 minutes of usage, around that, though that might decrease over the time. But the good thing is you can always keep it plugged in if you want to use it for longer hours. Overall, this touch silicone panda light is super cute, very soft to touch and looks really premium for its price. It's a perfect gift option, especially for the kids or anyone who loves cute stuff. It also works great as bedside night lamp and even for ambient lighting in your living room or workspace. And if pandas aren't your thing, don't worry, this product comes in other shapes too, like rabbit, fish, strawberry, horse and many more. You can pick whichever one you like. If you like this product and want to grab one for yourself or as a gift, I have dropped the Amazon link in the description below to check it out.